Welcome to the frontier of PC performance, where your RAM's true potential waits to be unlocked. Today, we're guiding you through the essentials of RAM overclocking, from XMP profiles to voltage tweaks and CAS timing optimization. Whether you're a hardcore builder or a curious beginner, understanding these concepts can transform your computing speed and stability. Before you start, it's crucial to recognize that RAM isn't just memory. It's the pulse that keeps your PC responsive and quick. Manufacturers set stable speeds, but with precise tuning, we can surpass those limits. Let's start by demystifying XMP profiles, which offer a user-friendly path toward higher frequency settings without manual guesswork. Activating XMP in your BIOS can instantly load optimized RAM profiles designed by your memory's manufacturer. But while XMP offers a taste of overclocking, true enthusiasts often push beyond it, experimenting with manual settings. To do this safely and effectively, you'll first need to understand how voltage adjustments influence both performance and stability. When you raise RAM frequencies, adding a precise boost to voltage can enhance signal integrity, allowing those faster speeds to remain stable. However, excessive voltage may generate unwanted heat or shorten your hardware's lifespan, so striking a careful balance is essential. This step requires accurate monitoring. Never rush this delicate part of the process. With voltage under control, let's unravel CAS latency, otherwise known as column access strobe timing. CAS timing determines how quickly your RAM can respond to commands, directly impacting both system snappiness and bandwidth. Lower timings mean faster access but may demand more voltage, becoming a subtle balancing act for optimal configuration. Tuning CAS latency values alongside frequency and voltage unlocks a sweet spot, a harmony where your RAM delivers blazing speed without instability. Always test configurations with memory stress tools to confirm that tweaks have not compromised reliability. Achieving this synergy gives your system a noticeable boost in demanding tasks, from gaming to content creation. Remember, not all RAM modules handle extreme settings similarly. Silicon quality and motherboard compatibility play huge roles. Start with small tweaks, and only advance when tests return stable results. Frequent benchmarking helps you gather accurate performance data, ensuring every change you make is actually an upgrade for your workflow. If attempting advanced overclocking, always keep an eye on temperature and voltage readouts to prevent accidental hardware damage. Document your successful configurations for future builds, making troubleshooting easier and repeatable. This methodical approach is what distinguishes accomplished system tuners from casual experimenters in the world of PC performance. After careful testing and smart calibration, you'll see apps launch faster, games load smoother, and multitasking feel seamless. Remember, overclocking is as much about patience and experimentation as it is about pure numbers. With informed adjustments, your memory configuration becomes a tailored powerhouse, maximizing every bit of your investment in hardware. To master RAM overclocking, remember the interplay between XMP profiles, voltage tuning, and CAS timing. Keep learning, stay safe, and never underestimate the power of fine details when optimizing your PC. For more expert hardware guides and in-depth breakdowns, subscribe and join us on this journey to peak performance.